Tokyo gets pretty cold in the winter. Luckily, there are a lot of foods you can eat to warm yourself up. But seeing as we're cheapos, here is TokyoCheapo's 5 winter survival foods. Yakiimo are Japanese sweet potatoes roasted over stones. They can be found at practically every supermarket, even at places like Don Quixote. They're super cheap and also very delicious. If you're lucky, you'll even catch a yakiimo truck driving around your neighborhood. Like yakiniku, shabu-shabu is kind of a party food, usually enjoyed with friends who are splitting the tab. Made up of thinly sliced meat and vegetables boiled in water. The name comes from the Japanese sound for foods being stirred in a pot. Most places are all you can eat, but if you want to keep things cheap, try to go around lunchtime. Check out Kelly's video on Nabe for more info. Another hot pot, sukiyaki is probably the most famous outside of Japan. Surprisingly, it can get pretty expensive, unless you're at Yoshinoya. Every winter, Yoshinoya adds cheapo priced sukiyaki to their menu. We're not saying the taste beats the expensive stuff, but it's pretty good for 690 yen. Also, you can't throw a stone without hitting a Yoshinoya in Tokyo. Found at almost every konbini in Japan, Odin is a one-pot dish made up of several ingredients that you choose a la carte style. Depending on where you go, the broth might taste different, but everywhere will have a lot of different foods to choose from, like boiled eggs, radish, tofu, each for less than 100 yen. You can even cook at home if you want to get really cheap. So a hot pot is nabe, and nabe is a hot pot. They're just different kinds of nabe. But for most Japanese, nabe is a catch-all term for a big pot of meat and vegetables, boiled in some kind of broth. And it's really cheap and easy to cook at home. Just go to your cheapest supermarket, pick your favorite broth, buy a lot of cheap veggies and meat, and throw it all in a pot. After a few minutes, you'll have enough winter nabe to keep you warm for a couple of days. It also helps if you have a girlfriend willing to cook for you. Hey, if you like what you just watched, subscribe to our channel for more videos like them. And for more cheap foods and restaurants in Tokyo, visit our website at TokyoCheapo.com.